Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Target gift cards online. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. In order to use Target gift cards online, go and open your web browser and in the search box, type in target.com and search. You'll end up in the official website of Target. Now sign into your account first by tapping on the human icon in the upper right, and from the expanded menu tap on sign in. Type in your email or your phone number in the text box. After you're done typing the password for your account on the next field and sign into your account like you normally do. Once you're logged into your account, go and tap on your profile picture one more time in the upper right corner, and from the expanded menu click on gift cards option. In the gift card section, go and tap on the plus button at the upper right and now in your gift card number and then your access number, and you'll be able to add and use the gift card on your Target account. Type in a card number in the first text field. You'll be able to find your card number on your gift card. Simply remove the metallic strip on the back of your gift card to reveal both of the card number and the access number. Type it in the text box. Make sure to type in the correct one into the access number text field. Type in your access number. And finally tap on Add in order to add and use your gift card on Target. That is how it is done. It's pretty simple and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.